Thursday, April 30th, day 3 of the Bearathon. Carving's going good. The rain is holding off. I need to move the big bear so I can get more access to it. The pulley on the crane is screwed up. I tried to get one yesterday at the tractor supply store. They didn't have any pulleys. I've got one in this block and tackle thing, and I think I'm going to try to use that. Oh. That's just crazy. There it goes. Does it go or not? A little bit. There we go. Oh my God. What the hell? What the hell is right? What the hell? Okay, so this is what I think is happening. I think there's a bearing in there, and I think that the bolt has rusted onto the bearing. And that's why I can't get it to move. So I brought out some heavier artillery, and we'll see if this will help. There we go, finally. Finally, the heavy artillery worked. A BFH, everybody. What the heck, a new crane truck's only $150,000. Woohoo! Here we go, I was right. I was right, there's a bearing in there. Ha! Well, there. There we go. Here we go. Here's our culprit. Oh my God. So the bearing was shot, everything was rusted, and that's our problem. See if we can fix it. All right, this is just a pulley with a bushing, but I think that this will work, especially if I grease it up and just keep an eye on it. And then if I can order a bearing that'll fit in here, or get a new one of these, that would be the next step. Boy, that's really light. That's amazing. All right, here we go. Put this thing in. Grease, pulley, bushing. Okay, lots of grease. Putting grease in here. Put this bushing in there. Put the second bushing in the other bushing with all the grease. Oh, I don't think this is gonna fit in there. Nope. Oh, crap. Oh, maybe it will. No. Ah, crap. Ouch. This ain't gonna work. Ouch! Oh, that's hot. Looks like it wants to go. Not quite yet. What the hell? Jesus. Guess I got it crooked. All right, grease in here, grease on the side of the wheel. Lots of grease. Can't have enough grease. I want no resistance on this pig. Put this pin back in. Don't want to touch it because it's probably hot. Okay. More grease in there. Now with the bolt, cable on top, up we go. There it is. Come on, baby. Little sawdust on my hands, get rid of the grease. Sawdust cleaner, a new invention. Look at that. Hammer. There we go. Back in business. Woohoo! All right. This is the funny thing about my life. I think I know stuff, and I don't have a clue what the hell's going on. I've restrung this winch twice. It's been balling up when it's been balling up on me, and I couldn't figure out why. I was thinking about taking out these rollers, and then I realized that I've been threading it wrong. If I thread it down where the hole is now and it rolls underneath and around, the cable will pull through the middle here and come out through there. And I had it going through the other way and then rolling over the top. You know, 63 years old, you think you know something, and then you want to fix something that isn't needing to be fixed because you think you're smart, and then you realize how dumb you really are. It's plain naivety. It doesn't really mean ignorance. There we go. Got it in there. Tighten this baby up. And we got it. Way better. Way better. Crazy. Oh man. I wish I was smarter. The pulley on the end of the crane is fixed. The cable is shortened and strung the proper way. We are back in business.